Hi, it's Cindy, and it is the day before our trip. And I wanted to show you the outfits that I put together. I've had so many requests for it. And you'll have to excuse me, I'm in this temporary dressing room with clothes everywhere because I had to figure it all out. But all right, I'm going to do the best I can do with this. So the first outfit that I put together, if you can see, well, you know what? I'm just going to kind of show you the layout of the outfits. Some white jeans with a couple different tops, black capris with a couple different tops, a bunch of capris. It's just a huge mess. And here's all the shoes. Not too bad, right? All right, I'll show you the next outfit. Okay, now my third outfit, most of you will remember this. I just got this. This was the sleeveless blue top that I got out of my Natalie Attired. Paired it with a white sweater, and I can also wear the red sweater that I'm bringing that I just showed you. And then these awesome blue pants, you know, the ones with the zipper, and there was a huge debate how to wear them. So outfit number 3. Okay, outfit number 4. This is a very cute off the shoulder top that I could wear on my shoulders or off. I am going to bring a couple really cute bralettes so I can wear the bralettes with them. And then I just threw them on with my brand new black Torrid leggings, which I absolutely love. So this is pretty versatile. I can jazz it up with some colored jewelry or throw a jean jacket on over it. So outfit number 4. Okay, outfit number 5 is this really pretty, well, first of all, I just got this white tank with a little bit of lace there on the bottom. Paired it with this melon colored lightweight sweater and these really cool leggings that zip at the bottom from Torrid during their Haute Cache. So isn't this just going to be the cutest outfit? I'm excited. Very, very cool. Aren't these? These are so cool. Paired together. Love it. Okay, I wanted to bring a couple dresses because I wasn't sure if, you know, what we were doing. So what I did is I got this long, like rayon dress, strapless dress. You know, it's got that knit there. So I could wear a bralette with it if I want. But then you just pair it and you throw on a little crop jean jacket. And you got yourself a cute outfit. And then also, if you remember, I got this out of my trunk club. This dress, which I can also pair with this. Throw on some white tennis shoes, and you're all set. Now, you guys will be seeing these outfits on us in Europe, but I just kind of wanted to show you, and then I'll show you my suitcase when I'm all done packing. So, be right back. Now, this is also from my trunk club. Blue and white, navy and white striped, kind of semi off the shoulder. And I'm going to put it on with these white raw hem cropped jeans. Pair it up. I'm bringing a red sweater. I'm bringing a white sweater. I'm bringing jean jackets. Throw it on with some red jewelry. And then the other shirt I'm bringing, along the same lines, this was from Torrid. This was my striped lightweight sweater because I don't know what the weather's going to be like. So I can, this shirt's a little bit warmer than this shirt. So 2 shirts, 2 similar shirts, different temperatures. Way cute, right? Throw it on with some red flats. Oh, gorgeous. Be right back. Okay, another outfit that I'm bringing. This is my black and white tank top that I got, I think, from Natalie Attired. And I have a pair of Rafaela cropped black pants. You know, it has the zippers here and the seams going down. And then throw that on with a white jean jacket that I'm bringing. And then the other top that I'm bringing is this red, it's just a cross, a wrap top, a red wrap top. So I could wear it with the black pants if it's not, you know, warm enough to wear this. So I've got options. And plus, this would also look good with my red pants that I'm bringing, my gray pants I'm bringing, any of the jeans, because I'm trying to get a few things that I can wear with a bunch of different things. So, because you know how you wake up sometimes and you go, wow, this outfit looked great last night, and you put it on, you're like, ugh. So I'm just leaving myself some options. Be right back. This, can you tell I'm a sucker for navy and white? I love navy and white in the summer. But this is a top I got from Stitch Fix, and it ties here. So it looks really cute on. And then I paired it with these Morgan and Walker capris that I got from Dia & Co. So so there's some option here. This is cute. I have a white jean jacket I can throw on with it, a white sweater. And then if it's really cool, I wanted to bring kind of a sweater, so I'm bringing my peach sweater, long sleeve, nice quality from the Loft, with just a little fancy. So, pretty nice, huh? Okay, almost done. All right, this is also my Treasure and Bond white awesome shirt that I got from my trunk club. And I'm bringing some camis, just different colored camis. And then I'm just bringing it with a pair of my Torrid jeans. So just kind of for a casual day, throw it on with some gym shoes and I'm kind of set. Then I decided to bring one pair of distressed jeans. I'm not sure how well received they are over there, but bringing one pair. And then I got this shirt from, I'm not sure. But anyway, isn't it cute? Little ties here. Little blue embroidery on the bottom. Throw it on with a pair of jeans. Cute casual outfit. So just one more outfit here to show you. This is from Molly Nizador from Dia & Co. It's the my rose with a tie on it. And because it's probably going to be a little bit cool, just in case, because I'm trying to layer, is this pink sweater, longer sweater, from Stitch Fix. And plus, because this ties, it'll still give me some kind of a shape underneath. And then my, what did I get? Oh, these are my NYDJ capris that I just got out of my last trunk club. So I thought that would be kind of cute. I'm also bringing some pieces that I could pretty much wear with any outfit. So the first thing I'm bringing is this really cute off-the-shoulder top that I got from Torrid. And it's very, very blousy. So I can even throw it on with leggings and just by itself. Isn't this pretty? Look at that. It's just so pretty. An off the shoulder with a bralette, maybe some leggings underneath if I want. So I can wear that with my black pants that I'm bringing, gray, my green ones, all my jeans. And then this, it's really wrinkly. But this is my khaki colored jacket from Torrid that cinches in at the waist a little bit. So I figured, not knowing what we're going to be doing every day, just to throw this on over the t-shirt or one of the shirts with my jeans, and I'm good to go. And then for a little bit dressier standby, I'm just bringing this white short sleeve ribbed mock turtleneck. But then this is a very sheer and very long, like duster jacket. And it's so pretty. Throw this on with a pair of black pants. I can make it more casual and just put on a t-shirt. I can put red underneath it, whatever I want to do. But I can throw this on over a pair of jeans even in this white shirt and it dresses it up. So I'm really happy about this. So I will be right back.